watch you smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm on.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to another week in our life as a stay-at-home wife. We are going to church today, so I'm excited to bring y'all along the journey. Yeah, there's a lot I need to do today because this week is going to be a busy week for us, so stay along for that as well. So I'll see you guys. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I have a meeting in like 2 minutes, so I can't really talk that much. I'll probably talk after the meeting, but this is like my holiday look. I'm going to like a cooking class with a salt company, and I had a hard time trying to figure out what to wear, so I'm gonna wear this dress because and then I have like red heels that matches it, and like a red purse, so just little spots of red. Yeah, I didn't know what to wear. I actually really hate blonde on me. Like back in the day, you could have said blonde was my signature look, but right now I kind of low-key feel like a woman. Okay, I look like one. I'm not feeling it. I feel like I'm not looking like, I don't know, but it's okay. It still looks cute, and yeah, I don't know, y'all, but I'm gonna talk to you guys after my meeting with the agency that I'm signed to, and we're gonna talk strategy, all that. So after that, I'm probably need to pick up my husband so we can go out to lunch, and then I can head to this event. So I'll see y'all. Good morning. This house is in shambles and I'm tired. I don't even know if I want to clean. This whole house is in shambles. Like, I'm gonna show you. So, yeah. Let's go in here. Shambles. Living room is not that bad actually, but yeah, it's in shambles. And I don't even want to show you the bedroom. I don't feel like cleaning. Should I clean? Should I straighten up? I'm tired of cleaning. Bruh, I think I'm gonna go back in the bed. I do need to drop my husband off at work and then go get my laser hair treatment. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe I could clean up the house, do all that. So by the time I'm done with my laser hair treatment, I could go back in the bed and rest. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to decide if I want to wear something sparkly, but I really like this outfit, especially with this fire leather jacket that I have. But this is my actual outfit. Let me see if I could, yeah, there we go. So this is my actual outfit. I'm obsessed with these shoes. I'll show more of it in my montage, but yeah, this is the overall outfit. I think I'm gonna keep up with this because I was gonna do something super sparkly because it's a holiday soiree, but this outfit is growing on me. And then I have my purse right here, so I'm doing silver, which is out of the box for me. But how you like it, y'all? It's my little holiday soiree. It's like grown and sexy, so I'm messing with it heavy. Yeah. But that's basically it. I did my makeup amazing. I laid another wig because I was tired of that blonde hair. I hated the blonde hair. I hated it, okay? But this is much better. Black is just my thing. It's my go-to. I feel confident. I feel beautiful, and that's all that matters. So we're gonna head out. I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up, and then we're gonna head out to this holiday event. So I'll see y'all later. So it is Saturday and I need to get my nails done. They look atrocious, okay? I'm getting like some holiday nails, and this technically is the set for my honeymoon as well, so I definitely want to keep it very, I just want to keep it very simple and easy to maneuver. Because last time I got my nails when I went to Puerto Rico, these are actually my Puerto Rico nails. And look, I'm already missing a nail. It's just too long, and I want to be able to do some like adventurous stuff on our honeymoon. And you can't really do too much adventurous stuff with your nails super long, So I'm going to get like some super cute, simple holiday nails. And I have my very first paid event that I'm going to attend tomorrow. It's with a water company, so I'm actually so excited to shoot this campaign. So I gotta just make sure like everything is tip top and in order and looking very good for this event tomorrow. There's multiple events I'm going to next week. Yes, so let's run these errands and bounce. Good morning, y'all. I've been gone for a few days, just because I was trying to get my life together, but the honeymoon is coming up so soon in a few days, so I have a lot of clothes laying out. I was taking pictures of all the outfits that I was wearing. I just did the swimsuits and the lounge clothes. I'm still working on the lounge clothes, but I'm gonna just go downstairs, get all that together. But first, I do need to edit, create a concept, and all that first before I get back into packing. So it's actually a lot of stuff I have to do before lunchtime, because once lunchtime hits, I need to run a bunch of errands to, I just need to run a bunch of errands. So yeah, come along to this journey, and yeah, I need to walk Puff and start the journey. Great mood because I'm going to my honeymoon tomorrow. We do have a big day. I started cleaning the house last night. I got a lot done last night. I got a lot of packing done, but I still have a lot more things to pack. I need to wash a lot of things, finish up cleaning the house. We only cleaned the living room a little bit, well, a lot of it, but it still needs to be cleaned again because, you know, I cooked, you know, all that wifey stuff. So I definitely want to wash the sheets, even though we just washed the sheets. I'm gonna wash the sheet or finish the laundry, wash the sheets, clean our bedroom, clean up this other bathroom right here, finish everything up, and then start packing some more. Actually, I feel like I should pack. I'm gonna pack a little bit of things and then start cleaning up. So I'm gonna just take you guys. So I am dressed, as you can tell. I'm very flashy, and I got this dress by ASOS. It's sold out, but I'll see if I can put an alternative there for you. But I had this for about 2 years now, and I always say this dress for like special events where they say dress very sparkly. So I did just that, and yeah, so I have a bomb purse, but it doesn't fit all my stuff, so I just gotta keep with this raggedy one. That's okay, the dress speaks for itself, so that is fine. But we're on our way to, or I'm on my way to celebrate Christmas with Ardell Eyelashes, so I'm excited to be with the team, and yeah, that's basically it. And then of course, tomorrow is gonna be a whole new day. Yo girl is gonna be traveling, so I'm gonna be seeing you guys soon. But this is the outfit, and I'm gonna be heading out. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys much in this vlog, so apologize for that. I just been on the road trying to get all my stuff, or like basically everything done before the honeymoon. So my mind has been stressed all over the place. Don't have much time to talk, but you'll see me in my next honeymoon vlog. And yeah, so I'm on my way over there.
Nah, no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no.
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of my vlog. I hope you enjoyed every single part of it. Stay tuned for the next one because it's all going to be about my honeymoon, and I'm bringing you guys along the journey. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.
Know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up.